Today, folks, I need to offer you some updates on what I truly believe is one of the most pivotal technologies that's going to transform the entire waste sector when it comes to Aduro clean technologies. I believe this is like a rubber band that is slowly winding back, just waiting to pop. It is one of my favorite Canadian small cap positions, and I want to watch a quick video from Stock Therapy with Penny Queen that does this far more justice than I probably could. I want to extract some data from this video and break it down, so just take a quick listen.
Mind-blowing news for Aduro Clean Tech investors. The plastic recycling company just received an analyst price target from SPA Research of almost $6 US. So for Aduro, this represents a potential 500% upside from its recent financing price. Not only that, the company is currently sitting on over $6 million in cash with lots of warrants coming in. And they have enough money to commercialize their own tech without help from any of their 6 multi-billion-dollar clients. Their technology is a game changer. It efficiently processes multiple types of plastic with less energy and lower emissions than current methods. This is a massive market, and Aduro's tech can already handle 76% of all waste plastic. Recent test results were really impressive. Aduro converted 95% of polypropylene into highly saturated hydrocarbon feedstock. What that really means is stuff ready for commercial use. Their efficiency is unmatched in the industry. My personal price target on Aduro is a lot higher than this, but I want you to go ahead and click the link and start your own due diligence.
So I want to kind of just extrapolate a little bit of this. I want to talk about this chart. I want to talk about current customer engagement programs they have going on and how that is going to lead to probably a pretty absurd amount of revenue as the next year and two go by, because this isn't a company that just magically made this yesterday. I mean, this has been around for a while, to the point now where they've gotten partnerships with massive multinational companies, and instead of just selling them saying, oh, this works, we haven't proven it that much but it works, they're actually partnering with them to prove the tech works and then scale it with them. And it's going to lead what I believe to be insane revenues. It's going to lead to government partnerships and so much more. This quote off the website is brilliant. It says, at Aduro Clean Technologies, we are in the business of between what is difficult and what is possible, between what is waste and what is valuable. Between is where everything we do happens. It's where our technology platform thrives. Our technologies have the potential to make more plastics recyclable, heavy oils more environmentally sustainable, and renewable fuels more cost effective, and we are just getting started. So they've actually been running these tests showing this 95% fungible product where they take these waste plastics, which largely could even take out of the ocean, and convert it into these renewable fuels, kind of re-break it down to be used in new plastic materials. And that has led to some pretty intriguing, customer engagements, right? Because they're planning, this is kind of like their core plan. We believe that collaboration is key to basically bring our technology platform to market quickly and efficiently. And to that end, we engage in close partnerships with potential customers. What customers? Well, we're going to take a look and compare it to this chart because we are only just getting warmed up, I believe, here. But Aduro Clean Technologies welcomed a multinational building materials company. They also welcome a global multinational food packaging company, which we talked about basically in March, right? And if they just get one of these clients convinced that this is truly as game-changing as we think it is going to immediately start converting into revenue, and it's just going to be the proof case for why governments, waste facilities, and all these companies are going to start adopting this. And if you take a look at this chart, I think it perfectly resembles how much plastics touch society. It goes so far beyond, I think, the imagination of what most people think. Because, I mean, we're talking about large oil companies, which they're part of the Shell Game Changer program. They also, I believe, have some private that haven't been disclosed. They're working with some massive other oil giants. You got companies that design, produce packaging materials, leading FMCG companies, durable goods, manufacturers, automobile producers. I mean, there's so much, there's an exuberated amount of plastic, and even waste management companies or governments that have to put this stuff in landfills because, again, 90% of plastics end up in landfills. Can you just imagine what that does to a waste management company that can now convert all that plastic that we are generally just throwing out for free, that they are now going to be able to take, return it into something that is a fungible product they can sell? I don't think people understand why I get so hyped about this company, and it kind of just sits on the back burner for me for the most part because it is a pre-revenue based company, though they are starting to generate a bit of revenue. It's just one of these things where I think in the next year or two it's going to start to take off, and when it does, it's going to happen so rapidly that people are just going to be like, whoa, I didn't really see that coming, because these are like these under the radar stocks that fascinate me. And though this is a company that does sponsor my channel, these of course are opinions of my own. There is great risk within the market, so do your own due diligence. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose. This is just for entertainment value, the usual, but I'd love to know what you think in that comment section below.